Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. I did something a little stupid. I got a new monitor and I didn't realize I didn't want to get rid of this one. So I reached out to some people that I have collaborated with in the past and they weren't able to supply me with the right monitor mount. So I ended up searching on Amazon, guys, and I found this monitor mount right here for, get this, I got it for $27, guys. I'm not kidding. We'll have to see how it holds up over time, but I've got to say, setup was a pretty easy breeze, and it looks pretty dang good right here, wouldn't you say? This stand is adjustable by height. You can actually add another monitor if you look for the other accessories that this seller also sells. You'll be able to find it. And then you can put two monitors. Now, obviously, it's not going to hold a monitor this size, but if you get another 28-inch monitor, or up to 32, I believe, you could stack one or two monitors just like that on top of each other. That's pretty cool. And it does adjust and bend, and it has some pretty dope cable management. I'm just using it as is. Okay, guys, we took a look at that monitor from Amazon. Really simple setup. It seems a little bit intimidating, but it really does come with everything you need. Really high quality materials, and I've got to say this thing is pretty fantastic. If you're interested in picking it up, I'll have a link in the description below, as well as a link to my Amazon store. If you found this video helpful at all, please hit the subscribe button and the like button so you won't miss my next videos. Thank you so much to all my viewers out there. I would not be able to do this without you. These videos take a long time to make. I've been working the entire day, every day, on top of my full-time job for months now, trying to maintain family and relationships. It's nearly impossible. So I would greatly appreciate if I could do this more, make better videos, and help you guys more. So definitely help support me if you can. I'd greatly appreciate it. Check that description down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.